Hello guys, myself Sandeep. Welcome to my channel Microsoft World. In previous video, I tell you about how to user account lock out and how to unlock the user account. In this session, I will tell you about how to allow users to log on in DC means domain controller. Domain controller. Now I am opening our server OS. First, I try to log in with the user account. What was the error we will get? Let's see. Switch user, other user, and type ABC at the rate Microsoft Word .in and type the password or enter. See, here you are getting the sign-in method you are trying to use not allowed. For more information, contact your network administrator. So now I try to log in our server OS. Now I will tell you how to allow other users in our server to log in. Okay, I have opened the admin, open server manager, click on tools, and here you click on group policy management, expand your forest, then you have to expand your domain. Here you can see your domain name as Microsoft World.in. Expand this. Now here you have a domain controllers. You have expand this domain controllers. Now you have to right click on this, right click on default domain control policies and click on edit. Now you will get other tab group policy management editor. Now in computer configuration, expand the policies. Then you have to expand the Windows settings. Here you have to expand that security settings. After that, see here you can local policies. Click on the local policies and you can see user right assessment. You have to click on here. See in the right hand side, you can see log on locally. Allow log on locally. Right click on this and click on properties. Here you can see account operator, administrator, backup operator, printer. These are only having access to log into the server. Okay, now I click on add users and groups. Here you have to click on browse. Here you have to type ABC. You can type ABC also. Click on check names. Here you will get ABC at Microsoft Word.in. So click on OK and click on OK. Now, okay. Now you can see here Microsoft Word 1/ABC. So this account has been added. Click on apply and click on OK. Now this was added. You have to close this window. Close this window also. Now you have to what you have to do. You have to update the GP update to update this policy. Now I am updating the GP policy. Policy has been updated. Now I try to sign out from here and I try to log in as ABC user account. Sign out from here. Now click on other users and I am trying to log in as ABC at Microsoft Word.in. Now I try to log in. See, now I am able to log in to ABC at Microsoft.in. So, if administrator can allow us to log in any user account, means in organization server is there. Some server, some person, people will be there to manage and maintain the server. So for this, they will allow that ID to manage and maintain the servers. Okay, guys, this was the session how to allow users to log on to command controller. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.